Oh no.
Marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida out 20 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Palm Valley to 6 nautical miles southwest of St. Augustine to 28 nautical miles west of Daytona Beach, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine.
Dang it, expires severe thunderstorm warning.
Beverly,
Wish they issued another one.
Marina, Big George's Reef and Palm Coast. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Florida. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for South Central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, East Central Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Florida, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hastings around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spuds. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Service.
Finally, they issued one.
Wait, what? Relay.
Here we go. Yes. Melbourne issued one.
North Central Seminole County in East Central Florida, South Central Volusia County in East Central Florida, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Oh no.
Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Hold on, why'd you activate on the third header?
And trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Sanford, Orange City, DeBary, and Osteen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Monroe, get away from the water or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the downtown shore.
Seminole and Volusia County will follow.
Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Serving Orlando and vicinity.
Oh, here we go. It's going on 88.3.
63, the voice of the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seminole and Volusia County in effect until 4:54 this afternoon. It's a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Seminole County and south central Volusia County. And at 4:08, the severe thunderstorm was located over Sanford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. You could expect damage to roof siding and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Sanford, Orange City, DeBerry, and Osteen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Seminole County and south central Volusia County until 4:45.
Yeah.
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular